The comprehensive, integrated, three-tiered Ci3T model of prevention is a tiered system educators build and implement which outlines all of the practices educators use to meet the academic, behavioral, and social-emotional learning needs of all students. Educators working within Ci3T use a tiered approach to support students, meaning that there are foundational practices at Tier 1, which are meant to support all students, with an emphasis on teacher-delivered, low-intensity supports and respectful responding to challenging behaviors to maximize engagement and limit disruption. Tier 2 features strategies, practices, and programs to meet students' needs at the first sign of concern. Tier 3 interventions feature the most intensive supports for students who have the greatest need. A key component of ensuring Ci3T models of prevention are implemented effectively is collecting and using data to support implementation efforts. Data-informed decision-making is a hallmark of Ci3T implementation. Within Ci3T, educators purposefully and predictably collect data on program implementation through assessing social validity or stakeholder perceptions about the goals, procedures, and outcomes of the Ci3T plan, and treatment integrity, or the extent to which the Ci3T plan is being implemented as designed. Additionally, educators collect data on student outcomes, such as academic and behavior screening, to inform instruction. Specifically, systematic screening data are used in tandem with other data collected as part of regular school practices, such as attendance and office discipline referrals, to inform Tier 1 practices, empower teachers with low-intensity, teacher-delivered supports such as instructional choice, and connect students to Tier 2 and Tier 3 support. These data allow Ci3T leadership team members the opportunity to identify successes to celebrate and identify areas for additional professional learning. These three items, social validity, treatment integrity, and systematic screening, provide the fuel that educators need to make informed decisions about the implementation of their Ci3T plan. Logistically speaking, treatment integrity and social validity data are collected twice per year, once during the fall and once during the spring. Although this can be done through paper copies, school staff may find it more feasible to collect this information through electronic survey software, such as Qualtrics. Such electronic survey software can also render reports, which can cleanly summarize and display information for easy consumption by stakeholders. In addition, Ci3T building leadership teams coordinate the training and calibration of observers, usually other educators, who go into classrooms of their colleagues to conduct direct observations of Ci3T implementation to see how well the plan is being put in place. This also happens during the fall and spring time points. There are many benefits to collecting and using these data. First, these data provide a means to celebrate the great work educators do to support students within tiered systems, and these surveys give a voice for all faculty and staff to provide input and feedback on the Ci3T plan. Additionally, these data empower educators to make informed decisions about the effectiveness of their Ci3T plan on student performance, academically, behaviorally, and socially. Finally, these data provide direction to inform professional learning efforts on specific topics within Ci3T, such as systematic screening and connections to evidence-based practices. For more information on Ci3T, use the QR code in the lower right-hand side of the screen, or type into your web browser ci3t.org to visit our website.